Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is up, guys? My name is Hassan and welcome back, everyone. Normally, I make videos about stock market on my Robinhood Portfolio and my M1 Finance. But today we have a real estate investment opportunity for you guys known as Lofty AI. We're going to take you guys to my account. This is my dashboard. Currently, I own 7 properties throughout the United States, which you guys can see right here. I believe that everyone in the United States should be a property owner, but not everybody needs to physically manage and run the property. So this is where Lofty comes in. It gives you the ability to buy real estate in fractional shares. If you guys are thinking about opening an account, I'm going to show you guys my referral link. So if you open an account, you get $25, I get $25. It's a win-win situation. And just keep in mind that you get the $25 after 3 months of investing. So automatically when you sign up, you will get $25 starting off with a gain. And they also have a special promotion right now. You can earn extra 5% or 2% if you sign up between August 18 and September 17, 2022. So do that real quick. You get 2%, 3%, or even up to 5% in gift rewards that you can use to buy real estate property. So what is Lofty? Is a crowd-funded marketplace that allows you to invest in tokenized real estate properties on the blockchain as little as $50. In other words, you're buying fractional shares of a specific property where you get rent, not monthly, but in a daily basis. So every day you're getting rent instead of getting monthly. More rewarding. So we'll break that down in a bit. So let's take a look at my portfolio. Currently I have $657.59 and total rent received in the last 2 weeks is about $1.54. And remember, I get this rent payment every day. And currently I have a total of 7 properties and my current withdrawal balance is 17 cents. I usually don't like to keep any withdrawal balance because I just use this money right here to buy more properties. In reality, I got 154, but I used some of it to buy my rental property, so I have 17 cents. So when I'm buying my next property, I will use this 17 cents. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow. I'm going to make these monthly updates tracking my real estate properties, the gains and losses that I make. You guys can follow along to see which properties I'm buying. So subscribe to the channel to see monthly updates. I do want to point out that out of all the investments out there, real estate made the most millionaires. So hence, that's why we are here. So if you guys are thinking about signing up, I do want to point out one thing is that once you sign up, you're going to have to create a wallet. Use the Lofty wallet. And they're going to give you a seed phrase. They're going to give you a bunch of words and make sure you guys write that word down on a piece of paper and you save it because it is really, really important. Don't save it on your computer. Don't save it on anything digital. Write it down on a piece of paper. And that's just like your security code for your wallet. And you want to keep that secure somewhere that doesn't get lost. Just keep that in mind. Open the account, connect your wallet, and they're going to give you a seed phrase. And just remember, just have that seed phrase ready. So let's take a look at one of my properties. We have 7 properties total. We're going to take a look at 4408 17th Avenue, Rockland. Currently have 4 shares or 4 tokens out of the 1610 tokens. So I currently have about 0.25% ownership of this property right here. And then they give me about yearly rent of, not appreciation, just rent of 8.57%, about more or less. And my current value is $200 in this property. So far I earned a total rent of 75 cents. So even if you guys want every month or every few days, you guys can literally withdraw this money back into your bank account. It takes about a day or 2 and you can use that for your monthly expense. So that's the best thing about investing in real estate. Yes, you should be diversified, some in stocks, some in crypto, some in real estate businesses, which is the stock market, or even private businesses. So we're going to take a look at my property 4408. So you can see that this is the property is located in Rockland, Illinois. They're expected to make around 15% yearly. 8% will be 8.5% will come in monthly rent, and another remainder of it will come in capital appreciation or the property increasing in value. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, single family. It's currently occupied, meaning it is paying rent. So let's take a look at our investment summary. Currently, this property is worth I have 4 shares of it. Currently, this property is worth $80,000. Let's pull out our calculator. Let's do some simple math. Each token is $50. So we're going to do 50 times 1610. And we get $80,500. So this shows that this property, Lofty bought this property cash outright, and they're selling it to their investors. So there is no loans involved. There's no interest involved. So as a Muslim investor, this is permissible for the most part, but still seek out a person of knowledge to make sure that if it's halal or not. I'm not a scholar in Islamic finance. So again, you're expected to make more or less around 15% yearly. Let's take a look at some of the property. This is a small property. You guys can see some of the pictures. And remember, you are a legal owner. But the best part is you don't have to take part of the day-to-day operations. As I said, everyone in the United States should be a business owner or real estate owner, but they don't have to physically run these businesses. And these are some of the pictures of the property. So again, I have 7 of these. I'm getting rent payments on a daily basis. They show you the locations. So let's take a look at the finances really quickly. So here, this property is worth around $80,000. They have a closing cost was $1,600. Upfront fees, LLC fees, because each property is their own LLC. And if you want to take a look at it, you can see the LLCs. If you go to their documents, if you click on their operating agreement, and they should open up to their LLC. You can see that each LLC has its own property name, and you guys can take a look at it, at all the breakdowns. So they have a maintenance reserves of about, this is a little bit high, 12%, 2% vacancy reserve. So they're making about annual rent of $14,000. Property tax is $2,400, insurance, and the monthly annual cash flow is $6,897, and that comes out to a monthly annual cash flow of $575, which is then divided into their shareholders. The reason why I liked about Lofty so much is that they're very transparent. They break it down with details. Take a look at the details, and they tell you about the property, how the tenant is on a 1-year lease, 2022 to 2023, paying a rent of $950. The best thing about this is that yearly lease, the next year the rent will increase a little bit, making you as a landlord getting a little bit more money in your pocket. So again, now I'm going to take you guys back to my account. I don't want to make this too long. I'm going to be making these updates on a monthly basis. These are my properties right here. Guys, again, use the link in the description below to sign up. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow. At the end of the day, we're all on the same team. Before we end, I want to cover a question. So are Lofty properties purchased using debt? And the answer is no. They're currently all Lofty properties are purchased using cash with no debt. And that's why I like Lofty so much, because there's no loan involved, there's no interest involved, and it's safe. You're not tied to the market interest rate. As always, guys, if you guys made it this far, thank you. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next month. Thank you. Bye, everyone.